Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Choba, a political science instructor. My goal here is to help students to further understand whatever lessons that they missed or they did not understand from their classroom or on their studies. Alright, so if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Alright, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so for our topic today, since we are already done in discussing what is the meaning of an applied research, now we will proceed in discussing what is the meaning or what is an action research. Alright, so if you have any idea, please write it down on the comment section. So I will check if it's correct after this tutorial. Alright, so an action research, it says here that this refers to examining actions, assessing their effectiveness in bringing out the desired outcome, and choosing a course of action based on those results. It is typically used in educational settings for teachers and principals to perform a type of self assessment and course correction. Okay, so from the word itself, action, ibig sabihin, meron kang gagawin. Action research. May gagawin ka. Okay. You have to do something. There is a problem and you have to do something. You have to do research in order for you to solve that particular problem. Action research is usually used by teachers or educators in order for them to do or to have at least self-assessment. Okay, so an example here, since you are a teacher at gusto mong makita kung effective ba na yung method of teaching na ina-impart mo. Let's say, for example, you are applying a teacher-centered method of teaching. Ginamit mo ang teacher-centered method of teaching. At nakita mo at the end of the school year or at the end of the semester, nakokonte lang na 33% lang ang pumasa sa'yo. 33% lang ang natututo sa mga tinuturo mo. Okay, so after that observation, you will now say that teacher-centered method of teaching is not effective. That is why you're going to use another method or you decided to use mixed method of teaching. Okay, so that is the importance of action research, and that is also the meaning of action research. You are doing a research in order for you to observe if what you are doing is really effective. Okay, so it's more on self-assessment, and that is usually used in the educational setting. Okay, so that ends our discussion for today, and I hope that you have learned something. And if you have any comments or suggestion, please write them down on the comment section in order for me to check after this tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone.